Want to change the background color in WordPress using Elementor? In this guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step so you can start designing like a pro in no time. So, are you ready? If yes, Elementor is my go-to tool for any web designing, and you can try it out using the affiliate link below to get started right away. Start by opening your browser and logging into the backend of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu, go to Pages and click on All Pages. Here, you can choose any page you want to work on. For example, I'll select the Home page. Click on Edit with Elementor. Once Elementor loads, head to the top right corner. Right next to the plus icon, you'll find a button called Site Settings. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now, scroll down a little in the Site Settings menu and click on Background. You'll see multiple options here. To change the background color, select the Color or Gradient option. You can choose any color you like by moving the slider. As you do this, the background color of your website will change in real time. You can also preview your page to see how the background looks. That's it. Now you know how to change the background color of your WordPress site using Elementor. If this guide helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.